Greetings. I am Mary of Judea, and I come through Nebulus today to give a healing to all of those who have suffered from losing their mothers in this life or previous lives. And we say this because your previous life can affect your life now. So if you feel that you were unloved as a child, this is for you as well. Okay, so deep breath and release. And we're now stabilizing your energy. We're opening your heart light. Yeshua and Magdalene step forward as well. And we're now beaming the light of the sun into your heart light to reveal to you, to reveal to your mind energy what is to be healed. And you may have pictures in your mind come up as we are doing this session now. Let them come up and let them go. For this means that they are leaving your mind, your body, your sphere. Deep breath, and we'll begin. I, Magdalene, step forward, and I am now beaming the light of the Christ into your heart light. Yeshua steps forward. I am now beaming the light of the Christ into your heart light. And I, Mary, stand above your crown. Raphael stands at the back of you. Uriel is at the left of you. And Michael is at the right. And we shall begin. For as you see, you are wholly protected in this energy now. And we are now bringing forth Michael's sword to cut the cords of all that has been before in your childhood. The lack of love, the unrequited love from the nurturing energy of the mother. We are now cutting these cords and releasing the anger, the hatred, the feeling of low self-worth. We are now releasing them all from your mind, body, and sphere. Deep breath. And relax. And as I say, you may see pictures in your mind. Once again, let them go. Let them go. They are here to be released. And we say thank you for coming up and being released. These are no longer needed in this present timeline. And we are now clearing them from all past timelines and all future timelines. So you are now free. You are now free to be the human being that God made you to be. For God has blessed you in this lifetime. All you needed to do was release what no longer belongs to you as a fully loved human being upon earth. And we now send blessings to you, to your future self, to your past self, and to your present self. You are now blessed with the love of God, the love of the Christ, the love of the Son, and the love of Mother Earth and the crystalline diamond grid. You are now fully connected to all as we release all that has been before, that is no longer needed in your life path now. And you are now free. You are now free to be the human that God wanted you to be. Amen. God bless you all. You should be feeling very relaxed at this stage. And we leave you in this state of bliss for as long as you feel necessary. And come back to this audio when you feel that things are getting on top of you again. We are always with you. We are always here. We bless you immensely and we thank you for listening. Bye for now.